Fundytus here with my teammate Kareem Ali, and today's listing has a private backyard and parking just steps from fun, vibrant Preston Street. It's got 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and it's a lower level stacked unit, and you're gonna love it.
Let's talk about the location. 16 Tuscan is in West Centretown, right across from Beaver Boxing, around the corner from Think Lunch.
This is a seriously great location. Within just a 5-minute walk, you can make it to billiards at the Orange Monkey. You can do axe throwing with lumberjacks. You can grab a beer at Beyond the Pale, or go right around the corner here to Pub Wells, and then it's just a straight shot down Preston Street to everything that Little Italy has to offer. So if you go just a little further out, in 10 minutes, you can be at the river to the north, or Le Breton Flats to catch a concert. If you walk south along Preston Street, you can make it all the way to Dow's Lake in just a few minutes. A short walk or an easy bike ride. There's fantastic restaurants like Maddie's for a nice dinner, or Di Rienzo's for a wonderful sandwich. There's even great breakfast places along there as well. You can stop for gelato, or you can go to one of the nice parks along the way as well. In short, there is a ton to see and do here, more than we could fit in a short little video, so we encourage you to come check out the neighborhood as well when you're checking out this home. Let me take you inside this wonderful home. To start with, the parking for the unit is right outside the front doors, and the condo fees mean that you don't need to shovel in the winter. This unit is what we call a stacked townhome, meaning that we have 2-floor unit here, and we've got another 2-floor unit above, and the building that we're in only has 4 units off the main landing. So it's nice and quiet, and you get to know your neighbors a little bit as you pass them on the front step. As you walk in, you can see that we've got these beautiful big windows. It's got a nice modern design and an open floor plan. It goes out across the peninsula. You have a dining area here. You still have space beyond that if you want a desk for work from home with some natural light, and then room for your sofa and your television and your sitting area. It's hard to conceptualize when there's not furniture here, but it's a ton of space. And then of course you've got the double doors out to the private backyard. Downstairs, the original 3-bedroom layout has been converted to 2 to enlarge the principal bedroom. Having the bedrooms on this floor means that they're quiet, with plenty of separation from neighboring units, but still have nice big windows so that you've got natural light throughout the home. There's a good amount of storage down here as well.
One of the special features about this home is the private fenced yard. Not only does it have space for you to entertain and park your bikes, but it also has a barbecue gas hookup.
So just to recap, this home has a great layout, fabulous location in a really cool neighborhood, and it has parking and a private fenced yard. If you're thinking of upgrading your neighborhood, I think you might just fall in love with this home. If you like this video and you'd like to learn more, or you'd like to learn more about the neighborhood, just follow me and my team on social, or go to nickfundytus.ca. Just off of Preston Street. I just made all that up as I was going along.
That's good.
And it's just steps from Preston Street, and there are just sirens everywhere. Man, this whole neighborhood is just gonna burn down. What's even going on? And today's listing has
Let's talk about that location.
Sicily.
Sicily, Centretown, right off of the quiet Spruce Street. It's across from Beaver Boxing and right out. What is it? This is a great location. From a 5-minute walk, you can get to
Places.
What is it? Orange Monkey. Oh, I'll try one more time.
This unit is just a couple steps outside the front door. And then I say other things, and then stuff happens. Lots of space. It's hard to conceptualize without the furniture here, but lots of space to show that you've got your, not to show,